Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best point-and-shoot cameras in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best point-and-shoot cameras. The 5th product on our list is Kodak PixPro FZ45. For less than $100, this pocket-sized point-and-shoot camera from Kodak offers the core functionality needed to make picture-taking and shooting video a breeze. That said, still image resolution is limited to 16 megapixels, and video can only be shot at up to 1080p resolution. The camera is equipped with a 27mm wide-angle lens that offers up to 4 times optical zoom and up to 30 times digital zoom. There's a built-in flash in the front. On the back, you'll find the 2.7-inch LCD screen that's used as the camera's viewfinder, previewer, and menu display. This screen is not angle adjustable, and it's not a touchscreen. While some point-and-shoot cameras rely on a rechargeable battery, the FZ45 uses 2 AA batteries. If you're looking for a low-cost point-and-shoot camera that's easy to use and a great option for entry-level photography, the PixPro FZ45 is a great option that weighs a mere 4.1 ounces. Up next in 4th place is the Leica D-Lux 8. Leica is one of the most prestigious camera brands in the world. In fact, if you're looking for a full-featured camera, it's easy to spend $5,000 or more. However, the new Leica D-Lux 8 is more consumer-friendly in every way. It's simple to operate, yet offers Leica quality at a relatively affordable price. It's a great camera to take on your next vacation, but it's just as useful as an everyday general-purpose camera. This is a true point-and-shoot camera that takes advantage of a Leica DC Vario Summilux 10.9-34, f1.7-2.8 ASPH lens, and a 4/3 CMOS sensor with 22 megapixels, 17 megapixels effective resolution to capture excellent image quality. While the camera offers the core functionality needed to take pictures or shoot video on its own, Leica offers a nice selection of optional accessories, including a hand grip, carrying strap, and a leather camera body protector. The D-Lux 8's body is made from magnesium die-cast with a redesigned button layout that's inspired by Leica's flagship Q system. The camera also has an updated user interface, so it's more intuitive, even for amateur photographers and videographers. On the back of the camera is a 3-inch fixed OLED touchscreen that serves as a bright and detailed viewfinder. It's also used to preview your content and adjust camera settings. The camera has an included on-camera flash. As one of Leica's newest and most in-demand cameras, the D-Lux 8 can be difficult to find in stock. But once it's in your hands, it provides the impressive set of features that allow any type of photographer to capture great-looking photos and video content, even in low-light conditions. The camera weighs just 14 ounces. The 3rd product on our list is the Sony ZV-1. As you'd expect from a higher-end point-and-shoot camera, this one is compact, offers plenty of features, and is easy to use. And while it can be used as a reliable and versatile still image camera, its standout features evolve around its ability to shoot first and third-person video. This makes it perfect for creating social media content, shooting family videos, or recording visually impressive vacation vlogs. The Sony ZV-1 uses a 20.1 megapixel stacked back illuminated 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and uses a large aperture 24-70mm f1.8-2.8 Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens. This means the camera captures plenty of detail, color, and depth for still images and high-quality 4K video. One of the specialty features of the ZV-1 is its ability to capture natural skin tones, so all skin colors look vibrant and natural. There's even a built-in soft skin effect that automatically improves someone's complexion. Plus, with the touch of a single button, you can use the camera's bokeh effect to focus in on your subject, while automatically blurring the background to add a professional touch. Or, the ZV-1 can help you ensure everything in the frame remains in focus. Plus, if you're shooting in a crowd, you can have the camera lock onto your subject's eyes, so that's the person the camera will keep in focus, even if they're in motion. We're fans of this camera, because it offers all sorts of creative effects that make it easy to capture still images or video. And it's easy to transfer it wirelessly or using a cable to your smartphone, tablet, or computer. One accessory we recommend is the Sony Bluetooth wireless shooting grip, which makes the camera easier to control when you're shooting video and moving around at the same time. The second product on our list is the Ricoh GR IIIx. This is a great take-along, all-purpose point-and-shoot camera that's compact, light, and chock full of useful, but easy-to-use features. The GR IIIx uses Ricoh's newly developed optical system, with a focal length of 26.1 millimeters, which is approximately 40 millimeters in 35 millimeter equivalent focal length. The camera is nicely equipped with a wide dynamic range APS-C format CMOS image sensor that offers 24 megapixel resolution. This means the GR IIIx can easily capture digital images that can be converted into large prints that have high-definition detail. Both the image sensor and lens are also optimized to provide the best image quality in a wide range of everyday shooting situations, including at night, thanks to the camera's ISO, which can be dialed up to 102,400. Along with capturing clear images, in part with the help of the camera's advanced image stabilization, the GR IIIx can shoot 1080p resolution video too. You get access to multiple shooting modes that give this camera plenty of versatility. And on the back of the camera is a 3-inch LCD touchscreen display. Weighing in at just 9.07 ounces, this is a great camera option for travel photography, shooting candid portraits and capturing memories in a wide range of settings without having to carry any extra equipment. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Sony RX100 VII. The Sony RX100 VII offers all of the features needed to capture impressive images at 20.1 megapixel resolution, plus shoot up to 4K video using its integrated Zeiss Vario Sonar T 24 to 200mm f 2.8 to 4.5 high-resolution zoom lens and 1-inch sensor. This lens allows for up to 8 times optical and 32 times digital zoom. The camera's adjustable angle, 2.1-inch LCD touchscreen display is its viewfinder, display, and photo previewer. To help get your creative juices flowing, it has dozens of picture effects that can add flair to your content. You can also choose from 9 shooting modes, so whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, sunsets, or action, the camera is ready. The RX100 VII provides 357 focus points and 425 contrast detection points, along with both automatic and manual focusing options, plus image stabilization. And yes, there's a built-in pop-up flash too. Transferring content from the camera is also easy, using a cable, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. This powerhouse of a compact camera weighs a mere 10.7 ounces, so it's a great camera to take on vacations and for capturing memories. That's all for our list of the 5 best point-and-shoot cameras on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.